Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung has been making curved screen flagship phones since 2014, starting or I should say experimenting with the first curved screen on the Galaxy Note Edge and later fully embracing the design with the Galaxy S6 Edge with curves on both sides of the display. Since then, barring the Galaxy S7, almost all Galaxy S and Note phones have had curved screens, but recently the company has been dialing back on the design. With the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, the curve on the screen has been reduced dramatically to the point that they almost look flat with just a subtle curve on the sides. Recently, some renders of the Galaxy Note 20 series were shared online and the smaller Note 20 had a flat design in those renders. Now it could have been a mistake or the curves could be very less compared to the previous S20 series, or at least that's what I hoped for. Until yesterday when SlashLeaks shared some Galaxy Note 20 cases, and it does indicate that the Note 20 would have a flat screen. Now case makers do get CAD details a month or two in advance so that they can prepare the cases just in time for the device's launch, so they should have a pretty good idea of the dimensions of the phone, if not the complete design. On having a closer look at this particular case, we can see that it covers the complete side of the phone and essentially wraps around it similar to what a phone with no edges would have, nothing but confirming that Samsung may have decided to adopt a completely flat display for the smaller variant of the Note device. Now the Note 20 Plus or Note 20 Ultra would still have a curved AMOLED display, so you get the best of both worlds. If you prefer a phone with a flat screen, you can get the Note 20, and if you are someone like me who prefers a curved screen, you should get the Note 20 Plus. Do let me know what do you think about this design choice in the comments section. I would love to know your opinion on the same. Now the reason behind this move by Samsung may be the price. The Samsung Galaxy S20 series was launched starting at $1,000, which is one of the reasons why the sales have been low compared to the previous generation Samsung's flagship. Also, Apple's upcoming iPhone 12 series is expected to start at as low as $649, which would have left a huge price gap between the lowest end Note 20 model had it been priced similar to the S20 and the lowest model of the iPhone 12 series. So by giving up on the curved display, Samsung can save money and pass it on to the consumers. On top of that, it's believed that the Note 20 would have a 60Hz refresh rate display and not the 120Hz panel which the Note 20 Plus would get, further saving on the part costs. Seems like Samsung is taking the fight to Apple's iPhone 12 lineup by trying to match the price of that device, which would be a great move in my opinion. Also, Samsung is working on an improved version of the 108MP ISOCELL Bright HM1 sensor named HM2, which would be seen first on a Xiaomi device like the previous generation Bright HMX, which was first seen on the Mi Note 10. Although it would have been great to see this improved sensor on the Note 20 Plus, but according to recent leaks from ICE Universe, the Note 20 Plus would use the same 108MP Bright HM1 sensor like the S20 Ultra, and above all, it won't be possible for Samsung to put it in a device which is going to debut in just a couple of months. The Xiaomi phone with this camera is codenamed CAS. It is believed that this would be an improved version of the Xiaomi Mi CC10 series. The phone will likely be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 775G chipset with support for 5G along with NFC. It is rumored to use a periscope setup similar to Mi 10 Youth Edition to give you around 12x optical or hybrid zoom and a 120x digital zoom, which is insane, even surpassing the S20 Ultra's 100x space zoom, but we'll have to see how the image quality is at this zoom level. Samsung is also working on a 150MP camera sensor which would also first debut on a Xiaomi, Oppo or Vivo device. Finally, we may have the launch date of the Galaxy Note 20 series and the Galaxy Fold 2. According to a report from South Korea, Samsung may have finalized the date for its virtual Unpacked event, which is going to be held online only for the first time. The company usually has two Unpacked events in a year for the S series and the Note series respectively, which is attended by thousands of attendees from across the world, but not this time. They'll have an online event this time on the 5th of August. So August 5 is the date and we can expect a lot of tech from Samsung to be announced in the event, including the Note 20 series, the Galaxy Fold 2, Galaxy Z Flip 5G, Galaxy Tab S7, S7 Plus and the Galaxy Watch 2. So it's gonna be a packed event with a lot of products and I'm already excited about it. What about you? That's it for this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more tech news and videos. Smash the like button if you liked it. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.